Konnichiwa minasan, I am in Japan right now. Looking back, in last few months, I've traveled to so many new places, met some amazing founders, and now I am working at an AI company. It genuinely feels like I'm living a dream life of any 25-year-old. But let me be clear about one thing. This did not happen overnight. All of this actually became possible after I seriously started investing time learning cloud, DevOps during my college time and after my graduation. Not just by watching videos, but doing hands-on, building projects, breaking things, fixing them, and building real-world systems. And that's exactly why I want to talk about something really important today, the KodeKloud Free Learning Week, happening from February 10th to February 17th. So if you want to build real skills in cloud, DevOps, or even AI without paying anything, this is the best opportunity for you. Let me show you exactly what you get and how to use this week properly. So what exactly is KodeKloud Free Learning Week? For one full week from Feb 10th to Feb 17th, KodeKloud is giving free access to the standard plans, for which means you get access to 174 courses across DevOps, Cloud, and AI. But most importantly, you get free access to more than 1,280 hands-on lab. Another important thing is, for this you don't need a credit card, you just need to go ahead and create your free account and start learning today. So what makes KodeKloud special is the hands-on part. You are not just watching videos, you are actually deploying clusters, working with AWS, writing Terraform scripts, building CI/CD pipelines in real-world environments. These are not simulation, you don't need your cloud account, you will not even get a cloud bill. So let me walk you through how this free week is structured so you can plan it properly. So here is the free week schedule. On day one, you will explore different courses on DevOps, Cloud, and AI. Every course is paired with labs, so from day one, you are learning by doing. Day two is practice with hands-on labs. This is where the real learning starts. You are configuring systems, debugging issues, solving real problems exactly like a real job. You can also learn from anywhere, anytime, because KodeKloud has its own iOS and Android app, so you can learn during breaks or even in commute. Day 4 is KodeKloud Engineer. This is one of my favorite features. It simulates real world DevOps job scenarios. So you're not following steps, you're solving problems. Day 5 is Code Key. If you are into AI, this is huge. You can experiment with multiple AI models using a single API key. No need to manage multiple tools. Next is 100 Days of DevOps. More than 20,000 developers worldwide have completed this. It's a structured, practical, and builds real confidence. Day 7 is 100 Days of Cloud. So if you're focused on AWS and Azure, you should check this out. Here you have real cloud tasks that you will actually use in your job. And lastly, lab-based courses. This is where you put everything together and test what you have learned. Amazing, right? Now I will show you the actual platform and few courses that I personally recommend. If you are serious about DevOps in 2026, Kubernetes is non-negotiable. The CKA course here is fully hands-on. Docker for beginner, this is where everyone should start before Kubernetes. Terraform, the infrastructure as code tool, which is a must-have skill today. If you are learning AWS, the AWS Solutions Architect Associate is still one of the most in-demand cloud skills, and KodeKloud has a full hands-on course on it. Or maybe if your company uses Azure, the Azure Administrator is extremely valuable if you work in enterprise environments, and KodeKloud has courses on it as well. These days, I am learning AI. So if you're also into AI, you can check out all these courses. The Introduction to OpenAI will teach you how to build real applications using AI APIs. Go check out different learning paths or all the courses present on KodeKloud. Now let's talk about who should actually use this platform. This is perfect for anyone who is trying to get into DevOps, cloud, or AI, or if you're preparing for certifications, or maybe if you're a developer who wants to get real infrastructure skills. This is best for anyone who is tired of tutorial hell, or maybe if you want to do a job switch in 2026, you should actually check this out. One important thing, after February 17, the free access ends, but you can still keep your account, your progress, and certificates, which means if you complete the course before February 17, you can keep your certifications. So here's exactly what you need to do. Click the link in the description and create your free account. No credit card required. Sign up as soon as you can because this ends on February 17th, and after that, the access is gone. So go sign up and comment below which course you are going to do.